welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. This week, I'll be walking you through how to fully edit a design in Command, such as an open house flyer or a social media template that you can then either print out or download for your marketing. We're going to start off in the top right corner. Go ahead and press Create Design. Then you have the option to choose your design you'd like to create. You have the option for email, social, print, or video. Check out one of our last videos where I walk you through how to design an email template from scratch. The social media and print options will take you to the same back end, so I'm going to choose print. Once you get into the back end of the design suite, you'll be in the template section. Go ahead and scroll through all of these templates to see which one you would like to edit. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose an open house flyer. When I click on Open House, these are all of the templates available. At the very top here, I can choose the format in which I want to view. Social media wide, social media square, social stories, flyers, and more. In this video, I will be making a flyer, and I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Go ahead and choose whichever flyer you'd like to create. You're going to press the Use button at the top. Now, once you get onto this page, you're able to fully start editing. On the left-hand side are going to be all of your options for what you can add to this design. You can see we have other templates, images, text, logos, elements, the KWLS, animations, and support if you need it. Starting out on the design here, of course you'll want to come in and change the date and time of which your open house is at, as well as the address. I just changed the date and time, and now you can see it's gone down an extra row because it's too long. I can drag out this box from the side and make it go to where it's only one line. Now I do want to make sure that this is going to fit within these black lines here. So you can adjust the text size at the very top and then drag the text. See that it's even and centered on the design. Go ahead and change the address as well and do the same if it gets to be too long. Now to make it even easier for you, if it's hard to type with these little words and to navigate where you want to edit, in the top bar here, you can see this black and white element. It's called typewriter. This will allow you to bring up the text a lot easier, and then you can edit from inside of this box. When you've typed out what you like, you can press Save Changes, and then go ahead and change all of the text along the entire document. Use the typewriter feature again to edit those hard to reach or smaller text boxes. Now to edit the photos here, you're going to want to click on the photo. Now you're going to go to your image section. You're going to go to My Assets, and you may or may not have already added your listing photos into your assets. If not, you can press the Add Image button and upload another image. For example, I'd like to use this image. Because I'm clicked on the photo I'd like to switch, when I roll over the new photo I'd like to add, it gives me the option to either add it to the document or to completely replace the old image, or I could use this as a background. I'm going to press Replace Image, and now that image has been placed perfectly in the same place as that old photo. Go ahead and change all of the other photos. Now you could also take advantage of the KWLS on the left-hand side. When I click on the KWLS, I then have the option to search by listing address, MLS number, KWLS ID, listing agent, or code listing agent. Go ahead and search for your property. When you find the address you're looking for, press select. Now you're going to see all of the photos from the MLS pull in on the left-hand side, as well as the listing details. This makes it super easy to add and switch out all of this information. For example, if I want to switch out this address, I would click on the address, go over here, and now all of these replace buttons have been added. Click on these arrows, and then now that new address has been added. Makes it super easy. It goes in the exact same spot. Go ahead and adjust it if it needs it. Same with all the listing photos. I'm going to go ahead and switch out all of these photos. This aspect makes it super easy to replace all of this information quickly. Now at the very bottom, after you've done all of the house information, you switched out all the text and photos that you'd like, you can then add your contact information. Again, you can use this typewriter function to pull up the text and make it a lot easier to see and edit. You can click on your headshot and then find the image that you would have added in your My Assets, or go ahead and add it now. And then you can select your headshot and switch it out very easily. Same with this KWDBA name logo. You can go to your assets for the logos and then switch out the logo with your brokerage logo. Go ahead and fully fill this out as much as you like. At the very top as well, you have the option to add drawing, shapes, frames, or text. At the very top left, you have the option To click on File, you can force save, lock the page, show any rulers or guides you may need, manage the bleed, or check print quality. This clock button will show you the version history and the undo and redo buttons at the top. In the bottom left, you can make it smaller or larger and see all of the pages. In the top bar, if you'd like to collaborate with someone, say you were working with another agent for this open house, and you both want to be able to edit and look at this design, you can add them here. Command does offer the option for ChatGPT. It is an extra cost, but it would allow you to design this using AI. The download button if you're ready to download it. You can order prints of this from Command, share it, and then when you're done, you can press the Done button to go back to the home page. Before we exit or download, we're going to change the name of this design. Go ahead and change the name of this design to something you're going to remember for when you go back in your design suite. When you're fully satisfied with this design, go ahead and press the download button if you'd like to be able to download it to print out or to post it to social media. When you're done, press the Done button. And now we are back to the home page of Command. Now you can see that my design is the first one on this page. I can then hit these three little dots and either rename it, make a copy, or delete. Keep an eye out for next week's video. I'll be showing you how to create a flyer even easier using the auto create service in Command. Stay tuned.